Hello my dear students, let's learn arithmetic progression exercise 1.3 third main fifth problem. Given d equals 5, s9 equals 75, find a and a9. Here we have to find out the value of a and a9 by using the given clues. Let's start from Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now n means 9. 9 by 2 equals no equals 2a we have to find out, plus n means again 9 minus 1 and d means 5. Now s9 means 75. 9 by 2 means you can take 4.5, or you can keep it in the same way and we can continue like this. 2a plus 9 minus 1, 8 into 5. In the next step we can do the cross multiply of this. Here we can take it as 75 by 1. So in the next step I will do 75 into 2 as cross multiplication. 75 into 2 equals 9 into 2a plus 8 5 is 40. Now 75 2 is 150 equals 9, 2a plus 40. In the next step 150 equals 9 into 2a, that is 9 2 is 18a plus 9 4 is 36, it means 360. Now 150 bring 360 here, minus 360 equals 18a. 150 minus 360, unlike sign we have to subtract. If we subtract this we will get 210, big number sign, minus equals 18a. Then minus 210 by 18 equals a. We can do the division with the help of the 6. 6 3 is 18, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 3 remains, 6 5 is 30. So you can take a equals minus 35 by 3. This is the answer for a. So with the help of this, now we can find the value for a9. So just take this formula, an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now an means 9 equals a means minus 35 by 3 into n means 9 minus 1 and d means 5. In the next step we can do a9 equals minus 35 by 3 as it is into 9 minus 1, that is 8 into 5. Next a9 equals minus 35 by 3 into 8 5. So put plus here, it is also plus, it is also plus. 8 5 is 40 by 1, we can take 40 by 1. Now take the LCM for 3 and 1, you will get 3. Now I will write the simplification answer here. Minus 35 by 3 into 3. 3 3 get cancel, your answer is minus 35. I will write this here, plus now 40 by 1 into 3. The denominator is not necessary. 43 is a 120, so I will write 120 here. Now a9 equals minus 35 plus 120. Unlike sign we have to subtract 120 minus 35, we will get 85 3 as it is. So it is the answer for a9. A is minus 35 by 3 and a9 is 85 by 3. Now the sixth problem, given a equals to d equals 8, sn equals 90, find n and an. With the help of these information we have to find out n and an. Let's start from sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Yes, n means you can take 90 as given, n we have to find out n by 2, 2, a means 2 plus n we have to find out, and d means 8. Now just do cross multiplication. 90 into 2 equals n, 2 2s are 4, plus then multiply this and this. If there is no, you can 8 into n, 8n minus 8 ones are 8. Then 92 is 180 equals n. Then plus 4 minus 8, it becomes minus 4 plus 8n. In the next step, 180 equals multiply n into minus 4, you will get minus 4n, then n into 8n, 8n square. Now I will write it in the standard form. First 8n square, then minus 4n, bring 180 here, it becomes minus 180 equals 0. We can take like this. After this you can do factorization of this, or you can even simplify this. All the three numbers are divided by 4. So I will take 4. 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4, then 4 4s are 16, 2 remains, 4 5s are 20, you will get 0. Now we have to do the factorization for this. Factorization means I will do it here. First multiply the first number and last number, that is 45 into 2, that is 90. It means after this I will put round to this. After this I will write multiplication sign, and after this put the sign minus. It means the sign before the last number, behind the last number, that is minus, put that. Now you have to take, if you multiply, the number should be 90, and if you subtract, the number should be 1. You have to select the such numbers which we multiply. If we multiply, we should get 90, and if we subtract, we should get 1. What is that number? I can take 10 nines are 90, 10 minus 9 is 1. So after, we have to use this number here, 2n square as it is, minus as it is. So n, instead of n I am going to use 10 and 9, 10n. Now we have to put plus, because plus 9n. I put minus because if we going to subtract this, we should get this number. So I put minus as it is, and I will take opposite sign to this to get the subtraction. Minus 45 equals 0. Now make the groups of two numbers. Now you have to select the common. So I will take 2n as common. N minus 2 5 is a 10. Here also I will take 9. Now n plus into minus minus, 9 5 is a. If we get n minus 5, the same numbers like this, we are doing in the correct way. Then take n minus 5 as common. Then what remains? 2n plus 9 equals 0. Then n minus 5 equals 0. 2n plus 9 equals 0. N, bring 5 here, it becomes n equals 5. Here 2n equals, bring 9 here, it means minus 9. Now n equals minus 9 by 2. Here we have to find the value for n first. N means natural number. Here we are having the two values for the n. One is 5 and another is minus 9 by 2. Natural number should not be negative, so we are going to take n as 5. N should not be negative. So n equals 5. Now we got the value for n. Now with the help of this, let's calculate what an means. Now an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. N means just we got 5 and a means it is given 2. Now again n means 5 minus 1 and d means 8. A5 equals 2 plus 5 minus 1 4 into 8. Then A5 equals 2 plus 4 8 32 and A5 equals 2 plus 32, that is 34. This is the answer. Let's do the eighth problem. Given a equals 8, an equals 62, sn equals to 10, find n and d. Here an is the last number, that is last term. We can take an as L equals 62. Now I can do like this, as n equals n by 2 into a plus L. Sn means 210. N means we have to find out by 2. A means 8 and L means 62. Next, you can do cross multiplication. 210 into 2 equals n. 62 plus 8, that is 70. Now just multiply this. You will get 420 70 into n, 70n. In the next step, 420 by 70 equals n. 0 0 cancel, 7 1s are 7 6 are 42. Therefore n equals 6. We got the value for n. Now use the formula of an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. An means what? 62. A means 8 plus n. We just got that 6 minus 1 into d as it is. Now 62, bring 8 here, minus 8 equals 6 minus 1, 5d. 62 minus 8, that is 54 equals 5d. Next, 54 divided by 5 equals d. So d means 54 by 5. You can even simplify this, but this answer is enough. So n equals 6 and d means 54 by 5. So this is the seventh problem. Now eighth problem. Given an equals 4, d equals 2, sn equals minus 14. Find n and a. Let's start the answer by using an equals a plus n minus 1 into d. Now an means it is given as 4. A we have to find out. N we don't know that, n minus 1, and d means 2. In the next step, 4 as it is, a is also as it is. Now multiply it, 2 into n, 2n minus 2 ones 2. 4, bring 2 here, plus 2 equals a plus 2n. 4 plus 2, 6 equals a plus 2n. In the next step, 6, bring 2n here, minus 2n equals a. Up to this step, we got the value for a, but here n is also, so it is not the exact answer, but at this step we got a equals 6 minus 2n. We can continue by using the Sn formula. Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now Sn means minus 14. N we don't know. We have to find out that n by 2 into 2. A means what? We got 6 minus 2n. I will put it in the bracket 6 minus 2n plus again n minus 1 into d means 2. Now do the cross multiplication. Minus 14 into 2 equals n. Now we can do multiplication for this. 2 6 12 minus 2 2 4n. Put this in the small bracket, then plus multiply this 2 into n. 2n minus 2 1s 2. 14 2s 28 minus 28, then n as it is. 12 minus 4n, remove the bracket, plus into plus plus 2n, plus into minus minus 2. In the next step, minus 28 equals n as it is, plus 12 minus 2, that is 10, minus 4n plus 2n, you will get minus 2n for this. In the next step, minus 28 equals n into 10, 10n minus n into 2n, 2n square. You can write it in this manner. Minus 28, sorry, not like this, 10n minus 2n square plus 10n, bring 28 here, it becomes plus 28 equals 0. Now if we observe, all the three numbers are divided by 2 and remove the minus also, so I can remove minus 2. You will get n square plus 2 minus 2 5 10 and minus 14 equals 0. Now as in the previous problem, we have to take factorization for this first one and last number. 1 into 14, you will get 14. Just circle this number. Now into, you have to take 14 for this and put the sign before the last number, that is minus. You have to get 5. Take the same numbers. I will take 7 2s are 14. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Now I will write like this: n square minus, as it is, instead of 5 I will write 7 and 2, 7n plus 2n. We have to put the opposite sign to get the subtraction. Minus 14 equals 0. Just do the group like this. Now n is common, n minus 7 plus, here take 2 as common, here also you will get n plus into minus minus 2 7s 14. As I said, if we get the same number here and here, we are in the right way. So 9 minus 7 into n plus 2, n minus 7 into n plus 2 equals 0, n minus 7 equals 0, n plus 2 equals 0, n equals 7 and n equals minus 2. N, we have to take the positive number always, so here we can select n equals 7. With the help of n, now we can calculate the value for a. I will take a equals 6 minus 2n. Now a as it is, 6 as it is, to n we got 7. Now a equals 6 minus 2 7s 14. So a equals, your answer is minus 8. Now we got the value for the n and a. Let's learn the ninth problem. A equals 3, n equals 8, Sn equals 192, and find D. With the help of this formula, Sn equals n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn means 192, n means 8 by 2. 2 of 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d as it is. Now 192 equals 2 ones, 2 fours 8. Now 2 threes 6 plus 8 minus 1 7d. Next 192 by 4 equals 6 plus 7d. If we divide this, 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16, 3 remains, 4 eights are 32. It means 48 equals 6 plus 7d. Next, 48 minus 6, 48 equals 6 plus 7d. 48 minus 6 equals 7d. 48 minus 6 you will get 42 equals 7d. Now 42 by 7 equals d. 7 ones are 7 6 are. So d equals 6 is the answer. Now the 10th problem, L equals 28, S equals 144, and there are total 9 terms. It is taken as N and find A. We will use this formula. Yes, N equals N by 2 into A plus L. Yes, N means Sn, S or Sn is given as 144. I will take like that directly. Then n means 9 by 2. A we have to find out. L means 28. Next, do cross multiplication. 144 into 2 equals 9 into A plus 28. Multiply this, you will get 288 equals 9 into A. 9A, or we can write as it is in the next step. 288 by 9 equals A plus 28. Now I will do the factorization simplification. 9 ones are 9, 9 4 9 threes are 27, 1 remains, 9 twos are 18. So we got 32 equals A plus 28. Now 32 minus 28 equals A. So finally A equals 4. This is the answer to find the answer for A. If you like the video, please share and subscribe it. I will meet you with the next problem in the next video. Thank you.